The UX Leader Summit is a chance for design leaders from across the industry to come together to share ideas, challenges they're facing, and a way for us all to grow together as an industry.
It's really hard as a design leader to actually find the resources you need, and we find that one of the best ways for people to get that information is actually through other people and through those learnings.
My favorite part of the UX Leader Summit so far is getting to meet folks from all these different companies and being able to understand what problems they're running into, and then being able to borrow from those learnings that I can take back to my own company.
Most people here are UX leaders that we kind of marked as the gardeners, because those are the people just really helping everything to grow. So that's pretty neat.
I'm definitely finding that folks in other industries have similar challenges that I do, and that we're all looking for innovative ways to solve them.
Some of those include basically working with big companies, multi-country, where you have a lot of translation and offshore work.
See, hey, what are your steps? Do you have a playbook? How do you talk to your development teams, your product teams, your clients? So that's been really the most interesting part, and really looking forward to what the rest of the conference has.